Recently, unmanned vehicles had many functions for application in various fields. Swarm flight for drones, accurate and safety flight path. Is it possible with the current technology? PABLO Air challenges universal drone control and real-time management for technology innovation. Autonomous drones, optimization for assignment, safety flight and compact management system are an important technology for the swarm drone system of PABLO Air. We are engineering in progress autonomous swarm technology control of unmanned vehicle for the commercialization of swarm flight. Our universal drones are feasible to do inter-drone communication, appropriate handling in unexpected situations, security mode and active mission fulfillment in extremely complex environment. Secondly, an exclusive control platform for swarm drone offer functionality optimized for business target based on user-friendly interface. Anywhere whenever we operate from inter-drone strongly connected communication. In autonomous swarm application field, if we apply that desired solution objectives. First, surveillance and mapping in specific areas, and inspection for aircraft can be completed quickly and accurately. Secondly, it is advantageous for reducing human resources and cost in pesticide application because optimal path planning. Lastly, it can be implemented optimal route using specific operation risk assessment at transportation. In other words, our unmanned vehicle of autonomous swarm control solution is to operate multiple drones simultaneously. So it has various expected outcome of economic feasibility, cost reduction, efficiency, execution time saving. Additionally, it can minimize the risk of collisions and falls during flight based on specific operation risk assessment. Autonomous swarm technology of PABLO Air will get closer to daily life that greatly contributes to economic growth in the drone service field.